That's Fedora 34. Let me show it to you. Keep on. Welcome all. Yeah, that's Fedora 34. It is, in comparison to other distros, very modern and has a very intuitive desktop environment, and that's the brand new GNOME 40. Let me show you how to work with this new desktop environment. When we start up our computer, we end up in this screen here. Here we have different workspaces. To them we can switch. On the bottom we have some favorites, and if we press the Show Applications button, then we come to a view where we can see all our applications listed here in these sites. And the cool thing is, like on Android, you could take an icon and move it wherever you want. So for example, make a new folder of them, or move it out and move it to another page that is supported too. Or we can create even a new page, so that is very Android-like. And yeah, now with GNOME we have the complete control of our app grid, which is great. In the top we have also a view of all our current workspaces. If we, for example, open up some application, head over to this view, we can get to this view back by pressing Activities here on the top left corner, and then go to Show Applications. Just select our second workspace here and, for example, start our calendar. Then when we head over to Activities again, we see there's created a complete new workspace for us. So yeah, we can have as many workspaces as we want. Also, you can now control this whole thing by wishing 3 fingers on your touchpad to head around this menu here or this overview. It is also working. Or you can just move your mouse wheel or press Ctrl Alt left arrow key or right arrow key. Yeah, that is GNOME 40. I'm very excited about how the community likes this new desktop. I personally think it is a great chance for us. Now just let's close this calendar here and head over to our first workspace, and let's check our top bar here. There didn't change too much. Here in the right top corner we have our system menu, I call it. We can define our volume, network connection. We can access our settings, just instantly lock our screen. I think this screen looks very cool. Just let's type in our password and get back in. And here we could power off or log out of our user. In the middle we have some notifications with a Do Not Disturb button, our weather, and a simple calendar which tells us all events we have today. In my case, this calendar is very empty. Okay, yeah, that is it for our desktop. In my opinion, it is very intuitive. And let's come to another news, GNOME Weather. We could just search for it here. The search is very great in GNOME, if you didn't know it. I use that all the time. And let's just open our weather. At first, we have to select a location where we are and from where we want to get the weather displayed. In my case, I'm living in Nuremberg. It's a city in Germany, so I select this. And here we have a complete new overview, which is now a way more intuitive and familiar with other weather apps. And yeah, here we have an hourly chart, and if we switch to our daily chart here, we can see the weather for the next few days with more information if we want. That's great. Also, let's come to a setting we can't show you and you probably won't hear. It is Pipewire. Pipewire is replacing Pulse Audio and is a new audio and video server from the maker from GStreamer multimedia framework, and which simplifies many things in the background. Chrome and Firefox are working very well with it. Support for OBS is coming soon. And the advantage of Pipewire is that some pro audio software will work better with it. And yeah, it is cleaning very much up. Also, we got improved Wayland support. For now, if we have installed NVIDIA drivers and are running them, the desktop is an Xorg session because Wayland and NVIDIA don't work well together until now. In the Fedora 34 lifetime, this will change, so all NVIDIA users can use Wayland too. The Fedora team is working with the NVIDIA team together to solve this problem in the next month. So let's start and install some software. I open up our software manager here and yeah, let us install some cute application like the Fedora Media Writer. I just select it and select install, and great, it is installed. So yeah, let's start this cute application. And what we gonna see, we won't see any significant changes from the theme, but it's a cute application. So yeah, the theme handling with Qt applications were improved in this version. The Qt theme is called Advaita Qt, and yeah, it is looking similar to a GNOME application. Yeah, all GNOME hardliners will see there are some differences in this layout. Yeah, I see them too, but I think many persons of you just ask, yeah, it is looking as any application else. But yeah, you could see a small difference if we select this menu here and we head over to our scrolling bar. It has some other colors and the animation is a bit different. And also if we scroll here, we are bouncing back from the edge. And if we scroll in a normal GTK application, we don't see this bouncing. So yeah, there are some differences, but yeah, it is looking way more similar than before. Just let's compare the old screenshot here. Yeah, they have changed something. So in the end, let's come to our partitioning. In Fedora, we can do this by searching for disks. Here we have it. Select our hard drive and yeah, we see we have ButterFS for our root partition. Okay, honestly, Fedora 3030 has it also, but ButterFS got some improvements on Fedora 34. It works way more better with SSDs because it is using the ButterFS transparent compression by default. And yeah, that is saving a lot of disk space, up to 40%. Yeah, that's a great change too. Okay, yeah, that is Fedora 34. It is a very clean, very modern operating system using the Red Hat basis. It is getting updates for 13 months. Then we have to change to a new Fedora version. In the end, it is very basic, very clean, very modern, presenting us a very tight GNOME 40 desktop. Maybe one thing I have to criticize, if you head over to our software center and we want to install some well-known apps like Spotify, we don't find any applications. That doesn't mean that Fedora doesn't support such well-known applications. We just have to activate that. For that, we have to open our terminal. We could change this by adding the FlatHub repository. For that, we have just to press this button here. The link is in the video description, and just select open with software install. That's great. Software is ready. We open it up and we select install. Just type in our password and perfect. It is added now. If we have done this, just let's close everything and restart our computer. See you soon. So let's just log in again. Let's open up our software center. And after some loading Flatpak metadata for FlatHub, we can now search, for example, for Spotify, and we find it here and could install it. Perfect, that's very easy with many applications. So that was it for today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!